In this video, I'll be explaining about the concepts based on inverse of the matrix. I will explain how to find a inverse of a 3x3 matrix. So without any further ado, let's get started. This question was asked in the year 1995 and the question is the inverse of a matrix S. They have given a matrix and we need to find the inverse of it. Before finding inverse of the matrix, we should know some basic concepts, and those concepts are first, minors, second, cofactors, third, adjoint, and fourth and the final one is inverse itself. First, we will talk about minors. Minors of a 3x3 matrix are nothing but determinant of the elements which are obtained by ignoring the row and column where that element exists. Like for example, in this matrix, we will consider S11 as the element of first row, first column, that is this one, and the minors of that element is determinant of elements obtained by ignoring the row and column of that element. Like for example, here we need to ignore first row and first column and we will have determinant as 1 1 0 1. Similarly, S12 which is -1, this one, ignoring the second row and first column, minor will be 1 1 0 1. Similarly, S13 which is 0, that is this one, first row and the third column, and on ignoring the first row and third column we have the determinant that is 1 1 0 0. Similarly, I will write the minors for every element. Hope you understood how I wrote this. Now coming to the second term, that is cofactors. The formula of cofactor is Cij equals -1 power I plus j Mij. Now on substituting equations in this formula, we will have C11 equals -1 power I plus j, that means 1 plus 1, that is 2, M11. Now M11 is given by 1. Now this will give us 1. Similarly, C12 will be -1 power 1 plus 2, that is 3, and M12 is 1. So this will give us -1. Similarly, C13 will be, and M13 was 0. This should give us 0. Similarly, on calculating for every element, we will have. Now we will come to the third important term, that is adjoint. Adjoint is basically transpose of the cofactor elements Cij whole transpose. So we will write Cij first, that is 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 0 2. Now according to definition of adjoint of matrix S will be. Now the final thing is inverse of the matrix. It is given by S inverse adjoint of S divided by determinant of S. We need to find determinant. We don't know determinant. So we will go to the question. Determinant of matrix S will be 1 times. That should be 2. How I write this, I will be explaining at the end of a video. Now we need to divide the adjoint of A by 2 and our answer will be inverse. So S inverse will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, also 1 by 2 here, then again 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 0, 0 and 1. Let us check our option. Our option should be D. During the video, I told you that I will explain on how to find determinant of the matrix, especially in a matrix where the number of zeros are more than 1. Then in that case, it becomes easier to find the determinant. Here, we will consider the third row to find the determinant instead of second or the first row, because that will be more complicated. And for the third row, we know that here the term is 0 and here also it is 0. So no need to consider these two terms. Directly we can consider the column 3 of the matrix. Hence our determinant will be 1 times the determinant of remaining elements, that is 1 minus 1, 1 and 1. This should give us 1 into 2, that is 2. This question was actually much easier than the way I explained. The easier method to solve this question I'll be explaining in the next video, so stay tuned. If you find this video useful, please click the like button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and also subscribe this channel to get more concepts like this one.